Today on the menu are these green chili turkey enchiladas made with leftover turkey trim. That's yet one more creative way to use up those day after remnants of holiday dinner. Nothing should ever go to waste, so let's get into this recipe. First up on the prep list is the green sauce, and it is just about as simple as it gets. All you need is a quartered whole white onion, a few green chili peppers, garlic cloves, and several tomatillos. Place all that on a metal tray and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until roasted and tender, around 20 to 25 minutes. Once roasted, put everything into a pot. Just make sure to remove the husks from the tomatillos and the seeds from the green chilies first. Add in the turkey stock, cover with a little bit of water, then season with cumin and a good pinch of salt. Cook this on a simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you're gonna blend this on high speed with lime juice and another pinch of salt to taste. Now, if the consistency isn't where you want it, you can always add water or do a quick reduction in a hot pan to get the texture right on point. Next, you're gonna warm up some corn tortillas in a hot oven covered with a damp cloth to get them a little bit more pliable. Get your prep station ready with shredded turkey, some very simple shredded cheese of your liking, and it's time to assemble the enchiladas. Coat the warm tortillas in the hot green chili sauce so they're generously covered. Then you're gonna place it on a baking tray and fill them up with the shredded leftover turkey meat, shredded cheese, and any other filling you prefer at this time. Just don't overstuff. Neatly roll up each enchilada side by side, then cover with a little more green sauce and a good helping of that shredded cheese. Bake this at 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 minutes. Once they are a beautiful golden brown and slightly crispy on the edges, you're gonna remove the enchiladas from the oven and plate them up 3 at a time with some sliced avocado, a few good drizzles of sour cream or crema, if you guys have that on hand, just right over the top of the enchiladas, along with some more of that green sauce, and these green chili enchiladas are finished. This is one of those recipes that I genuinely look forward to the day after a great holiday feast, and is super easy on the pocketbook. These are a major craving for the family, and there's always a new way to approach it every single time. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, give the video a like, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Bon appetit, everybody.